Microsoft 365 is powerful, but out of the box, it's not secure. And when you're managing 50, 100, or even 300 plus tenants, you can't afford to log into each one manually, chase a bunch of alerts, and then hope that nothing slips through. Security doesn't scale that way. That's where Augmentt comes in. Augmentt helps MSPs secure, manage, and grow their Microsoft 365 practice, all from a single multi-tenant platform. Now let's say you just onboarded a new 50-user tenant. First question, how secure are they, really? With Augmentt, you immediately generate the security audit report. Within seconds, you know exactly what's wrong. No MFA, legacy authentication is still enabled, risky sign-ins, weak conditional access policies, misconfigurations. Instead of guessing, you have visibility. Now you standardize. Using security baselines, you align this tenant to your best practice configuration. You're not reinventing security for every client, you're enforcing your standard. And this isn't just a one-time cleanup. Across all tenants, you can see instantly who's drifting from policies, who has risky users, and who has new exposures, all from one dashboard. With Secure Autopilot, you're not reacting blindly, you know exactly where every tenant stands, and you fix issues at scale. But security isn't a project, it's daily operations. And across all tenants, alerts are constantly coming in. Whether it's risky sign-ins, privilege changes, or suspicious activity. Without the right visibility, it just becomes noise. Augmentt prioritizes what actually matters. You can see the user, the risk level, the sign-in location, and the context. Everything you need to act quickly. This means your team isn't drowning in alerts, they're focused on real risk. Now let's go back to our 50-user client. A risky login appears in the middle of the night from another country. You see it immediately. You investigate, you remediate, or you can leave all of it up to your auto-remediate settings in Augmentt. And best of all, the whole thing is documented. So just like that, security becomes structured, repeatable, and scalable. Instead of chaos across hundreds of portals, you can manage Microsoft 365 security from one place. Augmentt turns daily Microsoft 365 security operations into a system your team can actually run. Here's where most tools stop, but Augmentt doesn't. Because securing and managing tenants is important, but providing value is what grows your business. For that same 50-user client, you can generate an executive summary report that's clean, thorough, and client-ready. You show them where they started, what risks were eliminated, and how their security posture improved over time. Now security isn't invisible work, it's measurable progress. And because reports are unlimited, you can run them monthly, use them in QBRs, use them in sales meetings, even generate prospect reports for companies you don't manage yet. This is how security becomes a revenue engine. You justify your pricing, you introduce higher tier security packages, you offer real-time alerting as a premium service, and when pitching new business, you don't just promise security, you show them the risk before they even sign. With Augmentt, security isn't just protection, it's proof. Proof of value, proof of progress, and proof that you're the right partner. Augmentt helps MSPs secure their tenants, manage them efficiently, and grow their business, all from one platform built specifically for Microsoft 365. If you're serious about scaling Microsoft 365 security the right way, it starts here.